Mastering citation. Using style guides effectively. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the realm of academic writing, and specifically, how to use citation style guides. Understanding and using these guides is essential for producing high-quality research papers, essays, and articles. So, let's begin. Citation style guides are sets of rules that dictate how you should format citations in your paper. These rules include how to cite books, articles, web pages, and other sources. Different academic fields tend to prefer different citation styles, which is why there are various guides like APA, MLA, Chicago, and many more. Citation style guides ensure uniformity in academic writing. When everyone follows the same format, it 1. Makes it easier for readers to locate the original sources. 2. Gives your paper a professional appearance. 3. Ensures you give credit where it's due, avoiding accusations of plagiarism. While there are numerous citation styles, some are more widely used. 1. APA, American Psychological Association, common in the social sciences. 2. MLA, Modern Language Association, popular in the humanities, especially literature and linguistics. 3. Chicago, Turabian, often used in history and some humanities areas. Each of these styles has unique formatting for in-text citations and the reference list or bibliography. 1. Choose the appropriate style. Depending on your field of study or the publication you're submitting to, select the relevant style guide. 2. Get a copy. Many institutions offer online access to style guides, or you can purchase a physical copy. 3. Familiarize yourself. Take some time to get acquainted with the style. Look at how it formats different types of sources, from books to podcasts. 4. Consistency is key. Once you've chosen a style, stick to it throughout your entire document. 5. Practice. The more you use a citation style, the more comfortable you'll become. Over time, you won't need to reference the guide as often. While mastering a citation style is crucial, there are tools available to make the process easier. 1. Citation generators. Input the source details, and these tools will generate the citation in your chosen style. 2. Reference management software. Software like Zotero or Mendeley can help organize your sources and auto-format citations. Remember, while these tools are helpful, always double-check to ensure accuracy. Citations are a fundamental part of academic writing, and using style guides ensures you're doing it right. We hope this video has illuminated the path for you. Keep practicing, and soon, mastering any citation style will be a breeze. Happy writing!